Welcome back to Auto Addicts, the home of luxury, power, and the most iconic rides on the planet. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of true automotive lovers. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Today, we're diving into a car that doesn't just define luxury, it redefines it. Let's take a full tour and deep review of the 2026 Maybach S 680 V12, the new king of elite sedans. At first glance, the new Maybach S 680 V12 is an unmistakable statement. It doesn't scream for attention, it whispers authority. The design speaks volumes through elegance. Up front, the massive Maybach-specific chrome grille with vertical slats makes a bold first impression, paired with the slim, high-tech digital light LED headlamps that give it a focused, intelligent stare. The hood proudly carries the upright Mercedes-Benz star, a rare touch these days. The chrome accents across the window line, the long wheelbase, and those massive 21-inch Maybach monoblock wheels turn every street into a red carpet. From the side, the proportions are unmistakably majestic. Longer than the standard S, the S680 carries an extended rear section that hints at the kind of indulgence waiting inside. The rear is equally graceful, with split old tail lamps, chrome strip detailing, and an automatic soft-close trunk. It doesn't just look like luxury, it moves like it does step inside, and you instantly realize why the Maybach's S680 isn't just a car, it's an experience. The cabin is a cocoon of opulence. From the finest Napa leather, stretched over nearly every surface, to the handcrafted wood veneers and metallic trim. Everything you see and touch has been curated to perfection. The ambient lighting wraps the interior in a customizable glow, with 64 color options to match your mood or the time of day. Even the scent system lets you choose between signature Maybach fragrances. The front seats are fully adjustable with memory, ventilation, massage, and even calf support. But the real VIP treatment is in the rear. This is where Maybach truly shows off. Individual executive lounge seats recline up to 43 degrees, with leg rests that extend like a private jet. There's a rear seat entertainment system with twin HD displays, fold-out tables, and a refrigerator tucked neatly between the seats, complete with silk-plated champagne flutes. Tech lovers won't be disappointed. A massive old central display runs the latest MBUX system with AI-based suggestions, intuitive voice control, and augmented reality navigation. The Burmester 4D surround sound system is arguably the best in the world, offering an audio experience in every corner of the car. Now, let's talk power. Under the hood of the 2026 Maybach S 680 is a handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 that produces an effortless 621 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. It's paired with a 9-speed automatic and 4 MATIC all-wheel drive system. Despite weighing over 2.5 tons, this limo glides from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.5 seconds. But it's not about speed, it's about smoothness. The automatic suspension with road surface scan reads the road ahead and adapts instantly for an unbelievably serene ride. And the price for all this uncompromised luxury? The 2026 Maybach S 680 V12 starts around $235,000, and fully loaded models can touch the $275,000 mark. Yes, it's expensive, but for those who demand the absolute best in comfort, tech, and exclusivity, it's worth every penny. So what do you think? Is the Maybach S 680 V1 to the ultimate luxury sedan of 2026? Let us know in the comments. And if you're loving this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to Auto Addicts. We've got even more exotic reviews, luxury comparisons, and deep dives coming your way.